What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over why you should be using Friend Connector to get yourself more clients, more leads, and basically more customers. The first thing I recommend setting up is a profile funnel. As you can see, here is my cover image. It basically tells people what I do, and it gives them the option to purchase a bundle deal on all our software. So I recommend setting up a profile funnel. It's pretty simple setup. Go into Canva, set this up, put your link right here and what you do, and then you could set a featured image as well. So it's pretty simple, straight to the point. But let's actually get straight into Friend Connector. So what Friend Connector basically allows you to do is to go in certain Facebook groups and actually add your ideal client depending on the keyword that's in their bio. So I'm just going to go to this random Facebook group that I'm in, which is local business Facebook ad buyers. This Facebook group is a group full of owners in different niches. I've seen nail salons owners in here. I've seen uh, hairstylists in here. I've seen restaurant owners in here. I've seen carpet cleaners in here. I've seen all types of niches in here. So if you're trying to go after clients, this is a good group to go after. And all you want to do is go to the members section. And I recommend not adding the admins because it does look suspect that you add them and then all the people in the group are being added as well. But there's 14,000 members in here, so there's plenty of business owners in here. And what you want to do is just click on Friend Connector. Then you could change up the lookup interval. This is basically the interval between sending requests or trying to get people, or basically trying to add them as a friend. You could set it to 5 seconds, 15 seconds, and so on. I just do 5 seconds for now. You can have a limited amount of requests, or you can do an infinite amount of requests. I just do I do 50 to 200. Sometimes there's been one day where I did 500 and added 500 people in one day. So then you can resume from a last search. So, you can put a number here. So for example, if I want to skip these people, there's 1, 2, 3 people. I mean, 2 people. I could just type in like 3 or whatever and go straight to these people, and they'll just keep going down or whatever. But yeah, I'm actually going to do that. And then here you just type in the keywords. So for example, some people in here, this guy's the owner. So once I run this search, once I run Friend Connector, it's going to auto add this guy right here. Let's look for some other keywords I may want to add. Let me see. Let's do marketing expert. Founder is a good one as well. CEO. So those are the keywords I want. So if anybody has this keyword in their bio right here or their little description, it's going to add them. So let's actually just run this. I'm going to move it to the 8th member to start off at. So as you can see, it moved down straight to here. So these are pages, so it's obviously not going to add them. But once it gets down here, then that's when it's going to start adding them. So these are people new to the group. It'll go through the people new to the group, and then it'll go through all the members. So it's pretty simple. So this guy has no keywords, so I'm not going to add him. She has no keywords that I have, so I'm not going to add her as well. But he does. So it's going to auto add him. So as you can see, I got a notification at the bottom. Group members request sent. Last sent to, I don't know how to say that name, but you see it. This guy, he's a founder of Email Inboxer. I have founder here. It's going to auto add them as well. So the last one was sent to Sam. Now Doug, he's CEO. I have it in here. Pretty simple, straight to the point. You can let it keep going on. It's best to just run this in the background while you're doing your other stuff. You don't want to just put this up and just look at it. Just run it in the background. And then if you have a profile funnel, people are going to start messaging you, asking about what you do. Things of that nature. So Friend Connector is pretty simple. I wasn't going to promote this tool anymore, but I am going to do it. I'm not doing a sending invoice anymore. For now, I've changed the price from $50 one time and then $25 a month. So if you're interested in Friend Connector, just send me a message or I'll link it down below in the description. But that's basically how you use Friend Connector. But it's basically going to go through all these people. Like, for example, the next person who has a keyword in their name is Matt Lee Scott. So I'm going to just wait on that to show you how easy it is. So it's pretty super simple, straight to the point. And you can do this in any group. Some people have had trouble with it, but it's not on the tools end. It's on their end because someone they bought Friend Connector but couldn't. When they go to the member section, they didn't have this option to add them as a friend, which was weird. So I refunded him his money basically. But some people can't have this. I think it's in other countries, certain countries, but he wasn't allowed to add these people as friends. So it's going to auto add this guy right here, Matt. It's going to add this other dude right here, Alters. But Friend Connector is pretty simple. I've seen people literally, I've had like multiple messages come in after using this tool. It's super powerful. You know, if you want people to message you on autopilot and start conversations with people, Friend Connector is the way to go. I'm trying to currently use it to build up to 5,000 friends. And then once I hit 5,000 friends, I'm going to delete everybody and start all over. So I get new people on my friends list. So that's Friend Connector. If you like it, I'll link it down below if you want to get it. If not, that's totally fine. But I just wanted to show you guys how to use Friend Connector. It's pretty simple, straight to the point. And yeah, I'll talk to you soon.